to the Falls Creek Waterfalls, leaving from Packhorse Discharge Trailhead, about 150 metres from the village entrance. Just near the gully car park. Don't know how steep this is going to be. Don't know how long it's going to be for that matter. Yeah, gully waterfall. And it's in Rocky Valley Creek, which is just down there. And this leads on to Packhorse. Packhorse walk is about 1 hour each way along the gully. But we're not going to do that today. Pretty sweet looking mountain bike track so far. Have a look at the fence made out of skis. Cool. Pretty easy walk so far, eh? Alpine dingoes in resort area, that sign says. Never heard of alpine dingoes. Waterfalls might be running a bit, fair bit of water around. Gonna watch out for crazy mountain bikers, I suppose. So it's about 35 degrees down the valley below today, and it's about 20 up here. Aha, sounds like we're getting close. On both sides of the trail we have waterfalls.
This is Falls Creek Waterfalls. Really easy walk downhill. It's only about, I reckon, 5-minute walk, 10 minutes top. No stairs, just a moderate gradient. Not too strenuous going back. Probably need a break or two along the way. But yeah, really nice. Right in the middle of Falls Creek Township.
And if you're still in the mood for walking, continue on. The Packhorse trail, it's about 1 hour each way, and you'll come back the same way back to Falls Creek.
Right in the middle of the summer, January 12 I think. It's not pretty hard. I imagine you get really stoked from down here in the water, more pretty so close to the waterfall.
Well, back here at the trailhead, that was a lot easier than I thought. It's Packhorse Discharge mountain bike track. Only took about half an hour to walk down and back up, probably 20 minutes. Very easy walk.